Hello, my name is Daniel Gaballo of Reinschiff Yacht Management, Mallorca. Whether you're leaving your yacht for the week or the winter, you want to know it will be safe and secure while you're away and ready for your return. With our gardiennage service, you can entrust your yacht's maintenance and security to our expert team, giving you total peace of mind. The Reinschiff team will winterize your yacht and perform regular cleaning of the exterior and interior. We make sure that fenders and mooring lines are fitted correctly so your yacht is prepared for the winter storms. All technical spaces and systems are operated frequently to make sure they are in good working order, and every task will be recorded and reported to the owner. Winter is also the time for the annual haul out of your yacht. Whether you are on the island or not, Reinschiff Yacht Management can organize and perform all needed maintenance tasks like anti-fouling and prop speed application or polishing of your hull, as well as any needed repairs or upgrades. Reinschiff Yacht Management is your reliable German provider of yacht maintenance services on Mallorca.